Hey guys, it's R.V.C here and I'm back again with another video. It's been long since I uploaded a video on my channel, but anyway, let's unbox and review another mechanical watch from AliExpress. The Megalith mechanical watch. I've been searching online and YouTube to get at least an idea of this watch brand and how they are, but it was really not what I was looking for, and for that reason I decided to make this video. Anyway, this is the Megalith mechanical watch and the model number is 8041M. It costs around $22, but you can get it even cheaper if you get the one that runs on a battery. First and foremost, the packaging is not that fancy. It comes in a very simple cloth-like case. It has the Megalith branding at the bottom of the case. Inside the package, it comes with a fiber cloth and a user manual which is in English and other languages. The overall feel of the watch is premium, and the first thing you will notice is how heavy it is. It's around 144 grams to be exact. The overall design of the watch is amazing. It has kinda like drawings from the dial to the watch straps, which makes it really unique. The watch is pretty huge, and the case is made from stainless steel, with a thickness of around 13 mm, while the diameter is 50 mm. And the bezels are so small. The watch has a plastic strap, which is a bit odd. In the ad, it was mentioned as having leather straps. The case has some information about the watch at the back. So water resistance is also a feature of this watch, and it's up to 30 meters. The overall build quality and aesthetics is amazing. Everything is in place, and the material used inside the watch face are just so amazing that you will definitely like it. Oh, and the watch face, we also have the Megalith branding. Let's now jump into the functionality. You won't get anything apart from telling the time. I just wish it could show the date too. When it comes to movement, you don't have to wind the crown since it's self-winding, so just shake the watch and give it some power to run again. To be honest, the watch fits comfortable on my wrist and looks very premium, and recommending it to anyone won't be a problem. I hope this video will help you decide whether to get one or not. Anyway, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just drop it in the comment box below. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Share this video, and I guess I'll have to see you in the next one. Bye.